Hi, I wanted to take a look at assignments with you because you asked about how to make a Dropbox. So if I just picked a random D2L shell, if you go to activities and then to assignments, this is where I have one set up already, but you can do a new folder, then title it whatever you want. Then you can add instructions like tell them you can only use one file or however you want to get your work turned into you. Um, this is where you can say you only want one file. So if you instruct your students on how to put it all into a Word document or something, that way you only get one file instead of a bunch of files. That's kind of helpful. And then there's a bunch of stuff for evaluation and feedback. I haven't played with that. I just literally use this as a place to gather their files when I do the Dropbox. I've used it for other things, but for the Dropbox, that's it. Then I hit save and close, and now I got the Dropbox. So then if I go as a student, and I go here, activities, assignments, Dropbox, now I can add my file here and submit. Okay, I hope that helps, and if you had other questions, let me know. Thanks.